In Word, citations start in the References tab. I'll show you the exact clicks, then the faster bibliography workflow. By the end, you'll know where Word stores citations, how to insert one, and where to update your source list. First, go to References. Click the References tab on the ribbon. That's where Word keeps citation tools, sources, and bibliography commands. Then look for Insert Citation in the Citations and Bibliography group. Now choose your source. Select the source you want, or choose Add New Source if it's not listed. Word drops the citation where your cursor is. A common keyboard path is Alt, then S, then N, which opens Insert Citation on many Word installs. Pro tip: add each source once. Then Word can reuse it later, which helps keep your bibliography consistent. If you're writing a paper, GenText can help with the citation and bibliography side while you stay in Word. GenText is a free Word add-in for citations, bibliography, and academic writing help.